If you say arigato in Japan, it can sound awkward. Many learners say arigatou everywhere, in public places, with staff. It is not wrong, but it can sound too casual. Japanese is sensitive to context. The wrong level will not offend people, but it can make you sound inexperienced. Instead, say this. ありがとうございます. This is the safest and most natural choice in public places. And after the action is finished, say this. ありがとうございました. For example, someone helps you, and it is finished. You say, ありがとうございました. That sounds natural. Remember, friends, ありがとう. Public, ありがとうございました. That's it. Try it once today and you'll sound more natural immediately. If you want daily practice, come join our Discord.